Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Moving emails from your Gmail trash back to your inbox is a quick process that works on both computers and mobile devices. If you accidentally deleted a message, you can recover it easily as long as it has been less than 30 days. To start on your computer, open your Gmail account in any web browser. Look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen where your folders like Inbox and Sent are listed. You might need to click on the word More to see the trash folder. Once you find the trash icon, click on it to see all your deleted messages. Look through the list and find the specific email you want to move back. Click the small checkbox on the left side of that email to select it. After you select the message, a row of icons will appear at the top of the page. Look for the Move to icon, which looks like a small folder with an arrow inside it. Click that folder icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose Inbox from the list of options. Your email will instantly disappear from the trash and show up in your main inbox again. If you are using the Gmail app on your phone, the steps are similar. Open the app and tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap on Trash. Find your email and long press on it to select it. Tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner and choose Move to. Finally, select Inbox to restore the message to your primary folder.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.